Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Taking me out to sea. Got one. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Wow. Think about that. Freaking day. But finally paid off. Just want to feel it. You want to be the fish? Huh?
Well, either the little tops or those shrimp are really strong swimmers.
That could be part of it too. But if they're moving that much, you think they're being chased or something's trying to get to them. Mine's really popping right now. Oh, that's one.
Yep, I got him.
Hang on, I'm coming over. Well, bring him in if you can. About the same size, huh? Or a little bit smaller?
Yeah. Are you gonna go get that rag or you? That is smaller. I don't need it. That one's not picture worthy. What do you think? Oh look, they took the head off that one. That didn't even have a bait on it.
Well, it did. It came off.
No, because I remember I told you it flew off.
Oh, really? Let me get this one first.
That's two for me.
Oh,
Yay.
get it. That's a big one.
It's heavy.
Hey, you gotta get it in.
I'm trying to. Oh, I think.
No, you didn't. Keep going. Keep going. I might need to get the pier net. Sorry.
Is it coming in?
Let me see.
Oh, it's taken off.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh,
Come on.
I'm trying to, honey.
Don't let it slack. Keep it tight.
Oh my gosh.
No, we don't. Okay, come on. Just keep fighting it. Come on.
Oh my Lord, what
Come
is
on.
it?
I didn't see it, but come on.
Oh, it's huge, whatever it is.
Might be a black drum. I didn't see it. Come on. You gotta get it. You gotta get it in.
See it? Oh my Lord Jesus, help me.
Come on. Oh, it's a drum. It's a. Oh, wait, is it black?
Lord Jesus,
That's
help
huge.
me.
Come on. Come on, baby.
Can't.
Come on, baby.
Stuck.
Hang on. Let me tighten this up more. Hang on, hang on. Okay, come on. Just let it tire itself out. You can keep, let it take a little bit and then pull it in. Just don't let it slack. Come on.
Oh, Lord.
That's okay, that's okay. Let it take a little bit. Let it take a little bit. Okay, now reel. Oh man, that's a huge one. Come on, baby.
I got him on the Little John, I think.
It don't matter what you got him on. You got it. You got to bring him in.
I can bring him in, but I can't. He's heavy. I'm already sweating buckets.
Is he getting closer? I can't even see him.
I can't tell.
He's right out here. Come on. Right here. Come on. Come on. You're getting closer. Let him go. Let him go. Okay. Come on. Let him run. Let him run. Just keep it tight. Okay. Come on. Yeah, it's a black drum.
It's a black drum?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh,
Let him run a
Lord.
little bit.
That's a nice one.
Come on.
I think this is the biggest fish I've ever caught
It
in my
is
entire
definitely the
life.
biggest fish you've ever caught. Come on.
Oh, my Lord Jesus, help me. Get it in, Lord.
Let it run a little bit. Let it run a little bit and
But it's taking off.
then. Okay. Let it go. Let it go. No, let it go. Let it go. Okay, now reel. Don't let it take too much. I mean, you need me. Come on. I don't want to help you. I want you to do it.
Oh my God. You have
You have a
a,
net?
Yeah. I got
you
one
have
right
a
here.
scale?
Oh, okay.
I'm not worried about the scale. I'm worried about you getting it in.
Oh my Lord.
Come on.
You're winning.
Am I?
Just you don't want it to go under the pier though.
Okay, well I tried to keep them away from the pier, but this thing like...
There you go. Now you're getting him.
It's going under the
Oh
pier.
no. Come on, keep going. Oh God. Keep rolling. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. You got it. Keep rolling. He's coming, he's coming. Come on. Does it feel like it's coming towards you?
No. Before I was able to pull him up, but now
He
I'm...
might have got wrapped.
You can tighten your drag just a little bit.
Yeah,
And draw him
listen.
out.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
Here he comes. There he comes. Here he comes. Come on. Bring him over here.
Oh my Lord.
Good Lord. Don't let him go under.
I'm trying to not to.
Oh, I'm not.
You need to get under it, honey.
Hang on. I got the net all.
Oh no.
He's a good sized black drum.
Oh my Lord.
Hang on, baby. Don't.
Don't reel anymore? Oh, no, I got the shrimp. Oh, God.
And my nets.
Your net stuck?
Yeah.
Do you have your net?
I don't know if it's going to reach down yet. But we're
Oh.
gonna give it a shot.
Hang on, baby.
It might. I might be able to get it.
You want to drop it to some or?
No, just leave it there.
Poor fish.
I don't know if this is going to go.
It might just be just. You want to come on this side or bring him over this way?
Bring him over this. Oh man, this is going to be fun.
Oh my Lord.
Get him over here.
You got him. You got him.
Oh, he broke off.
Ah.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
That
It's
thing
not your
was.
fault.
Were you going to keep him?
No, we're gonna keep him, but I wanted to get a picture with him. Oh, baby.
Oh man. Yeah.
I take partial blame because that my net. If I had to have my net, and it got.
I think it got caught on that first hook.
Yeah. It's
Wow, what were
straightened
you
by
using?
hook.
You were just using lures?
Shrimp.
Shrimp. That was shrimp.
I put a shrimp with the Little John on it
Oh,
just to
my
try.
goodness.
Oh man.
Thank you.
Oh, well, sorry.
That wasn't your fault. But look at the hook. That could have been part of it too. I'm surprised he lasted as long as he did.
Oh man, time. That was fun though.
Gosh, came so close.
Yeah. Maybe we'll catch it again.
No,
We'll
you're
see.
not going to catch that one. Maybe another one.
No, that was definitely a good-sized black drum.
Well, how much do you
That's
think?
good.
How big it was?
Oh, that had to be probably at least 20 pounds.
Yeah,
Oh
20,
my God!
25,
If
yeah.
I would have
About
gotten
40
that in,
inches,
that
maybe
would have been
35, 40 inches.
that would have been the biggest fish I've ever caught if I had gotten it in.
God. Well, yep, well,
Sometimes
he's still
you-
out there for something
Yeah.
like that, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a good one. Oh, now you know the thrill of a big fish.
Yeah.
So big that it was tiring you out.
It was. My hand was getting tired. What is it? A little trout again?
Looks like it. Oh, Linda the Trout Slayer.
Is it a little one again? Yeah.
It's about the same size as that last one. Baby.
I'm trying to get it over here to you. It's fun catching them. They're little, but
They're fun size.
they're fun size. You want me to toss that?
Yeah, go ahead.
Since I just keep catching them anyway, right?
It only takes one to catch it, right? Linda the Trout Slayer. Oh yeah.
You got one?
Yeah.
Yep. Yay, you caught one! Is it a keeper?
No.
But you're not skunked anymore.
It's a trout. I need that rag.
Yeah, come. You need a picture with it?
No.
Is that picture worthy? Keep catching the suckers, but
Man, he swallowed that thing.
yeah. You swallowed it?
Here he is.
We don't have any luck with this cut bait.
Little trout. Huh?
I said we didn't have any luck with this cut bait.
Yeah. Well, it's not very big, but what the? I guess I didn't get him. I thought for sure.
They tend to trick you.
Yeah.
That's why I paused, because I'm like, you gotta get them again.
Well, I did. That's why. I mean, I've learned that. I do that when I'm bass fishing. Come on, you're going to the ocean. He's
I
like,
wanted to get to the old drains.
he's like, really? Okay. And then I'm like, jab. He's like, oh, you didn't tell me you were gonna stab me first. I tend to catch more when I'm just letting it sit. Got another little one. Oh, that's a whiting.
That's a whiting?
Yeah.
You didn't know you had one on the line? Huh?
Yeah, I knew when I saw him. I actually saw him down there. These are actually good to eat too.
Whiting?
Yeah. Whoop, there he goes.
He wasn't
Well, he was on film. Try that again. Got him?
I think so.
It looks like you do. Yeah, you do.
Another little one.
Here. Let some of the line go so I can.
Got it?
Yeah, it's a little baby one.
Is it a whiting or is it?
No, it's a trout.
Since you're there, should be one.
Line watching. Rod watching. Okay, Google. What's the Texas state record for speckled trout?
15.6 pounds and 37.25. According to Fishing Booker, trout, Texas state record.
15.6
pounds and 37.25.
37 and a quarter inches. Come on, baby. Huh? Look like it. She got one. Got another one. Come on, baby. It looks like a decent one. Oh yeah, that's it. That's a, looks like a little red. Bring it up.
Well, you got the pier net or no?
Come on.
Is that a little red?
No, it's a trout, but it's a good one. It's a really, no, that's a whiting.
Ugh.
It's a good whiting.
You need your rag? The rag's
Yeah, let
over
me
there
get-
by you. No, no, that's my
Oh.
jacket.
You don't want me to use your jacket?
No. How big is that?
That's a
whiting?
nice one.
Is that a keeper? Can you keep it?
I'm not gonna keep one fish. You wanna take a picture though?
If you think it's picture worthy. Ugh. Oh.
don't drop your rod. At first I thought it was a red, like a small red.
You think it's picture worthy?
I'll stand up and hold him here because he's gonna flap around. Don't. See, that's what I'm saying. You gotta hold him closer to the.
Yeah, but he might bite me.
He won't bite you. Just don't.
Do the biting not have teeth?
I don't know. I don't think they do.
Help him, help him.
Save him! Save him!
He's gasping for air. You sure that's a whiting? Look at the color.
Yeah, it's a whiting. I recognize by the mouth. They got a specific kind of shaped mouth. Looks like it. Nice whiting.
You know, Joe would be killing it.
Joe be all brother-in-law.
You could eat that. I could eat that fish.
There's people starving in China, brother-in-law. Did it hit pretty hard?
Not really, no. It was a regular. I thought it was a little trout head again.
Hang on. Another whiting. So they must have chased all the trout away.
The whiting and trout are like.
I don't know. It's just interesting. That's all we're catching right now. You know what? I'm gonna let him go and let him finish eating that shrimp. That's your reward for surviving.
And then you leave a little nugget there.
Watch Mom while I'm putting another one on for you. Maybe I should just stand next to you.
Just gotta keep throwing that.
Just watch where you're throwing and not throw on top of you. Show me where you're gonna throw it. I'm gonna watch. Tell me your secret.
My honey hole is right there.
Right there. So if I throw kind of parallel to you, I should be good.
You're 1 o'clock. He's dead. You should be good.
Got another one? Huh?
No, maybe.
Good, oh, good lord.
Might catch it after it's small.
Try another whiting. Let's see.
Is it?
Yeah. I think that's a trout.
Trout. There's the speckle. It went after the second one again.
There we go. Oh yeah.
A trout?
Yeah, it's a little trout. Little trout.
Is there a minimum you have to have for trout?
What do you mean?
Like the length?
Well,
14?
no, the minimum is 17 to keep. The maximum is 23.
Max is 23.
Yeah, and you can't keep more than 3 a day per person. Per person.
So if a warden came by and we had 6, you'd be okay?
Yeah, between us, yeah. As long as they were the right size. Got one. A little one.
Wow, you get him from the side?
No, he's all wrapped up.
How did he get wrapped up? Isn't it a little trout?
Yeah. I think that was the smallest one I've caught today. Smallest trout, anyway. Got another one? Whoa, feels like a good one. Whoa. Yeah, it feels like a good one. Not a bad one. That's not bad. It's the biggest one I've caught today.
Is it a whiting?
Huh?
Or a trout?
It's a trout. Come here, mister. They definitely have little teeth.
They what?
I said they definitely have teeth.